Plantasia is a vast tropical environment located in Piaget, Swansea, where children can learn, discover and investigate all about plants and animals that occupy South America. The purpose of Plantasia is to raise the awareness of sustainability and to enlighten people, especially children, about the plants and animals which call the beautiful rainforests their home. Being in this environment really assimilates the rainforest culture. It's very humid. I'm surrounded by lots of plants, as you can see. And over there's a waterfall. The sun is shining through, so it's very hot. And I'm surrounded by lots of things that, the environment makes me want to engage more because I feel like I'm actually in South America. There are many educational opportunities at Plantasia, such as the animal tours given by technical specialists that look into the habitats and lives of both insects and animals, and also what they eat. Other activities incorporate innovation, such as poetry and art. Drawing real-life animals in their natural assimilated habitats allow children to engage more, empathise and relate, than just being in a classroom. Scientifically, there is a huge emphasis on plants, their benefits and uses, and shows children products such as cotton and rubber in their primary state. Furthermore, a child will never forget parts of the plant after seeing them in their tropical environment.
Currently on the half-term trial here at Plantasia, and the second question on the list is which is the largest snake at Plantasia, and we've investigated this and we think that it is the Burmese python. You can see here. You can find these in Laos, Vietnam and Malaysia, and all over Southeast Asia. They live at around 25 years, and this one's called James.
During my time at Plantasia, I got to witness a Year 2 class from a local primary school, setting up a scientific outdoor investigation, where they would plant pea seeds into petri dishes and examine them in a variety of conditions. I found that this was really effective, as it enabled the children to measure and analyse data, and also draw conclusions from their experiments. Actually being in the tropical environment was really beneficial in developing both the child's scientific and innovative skills.
Here at Plantasia, they're big on sustainability and saving the planet. As you can see by their engaging displays, what can we do to save rainforests, reduce, reuse, recycle, car share, public transport, FSC wood, and support fair trade and local products. I think this is very important for our children to learn all about this.
whole ethos and purpose of Plantasia is to express and educate people about the need for sustainability and preservation of the planet. In the world of Plantasia, you cannot escape the need for observation, investigation, and the atmosphere really makes you appreciate and want to sustain the rainforests of our planet. The first thoughts and theories of outdoor learning were promoted by the radical theorists Montessorri and Steiner. Maria Montessori, the Italian, focused on purposeful play and life skills. Also, the thinker Rudolf Steiner believed that the teacher was a facilitator and incorporated outdoor learning activities such as digging and planting vegetables, which would enable children to connect with nature. In this tropical environment lives a tortoise, and it's called the Egyptian tortoise, which is from Libya and Egypt, obviously. In this outdoor learning environment, it gives a very examples of the tortoise, as you can see here. I think having these primary animals here, actually here, and alongside the assimilation of the environment, I feel that children will ask more questions.
Welcome to the Rainforest Hut.
Well, I'm just going into the South American hut, which is surrounded by lots of primary resources, which has really engaged me into learning how these people lived, how they survived, how they hunted for their food, what entertainment they had, where they slept, how it's surrounded by lots of primary resources which would engage children to further inquiry. The Rainforest Hut is a valuable resource, especially in the delivery of educational programs. They educate around 12,000 children per year. It adds another dimension to the visitor's experience, as members of the public can sense how different our homes are to those lived by the tribes in the rainforest. The working Rainforest Hut provides an exciting live learning experience, teaching our children about the importance of living as one with our environment. Being able to show how the rainforest tribe people live so basically and in harmony with the natural surroundings is very inspiring. The hut at Plantasia is based on a very basic construction used by tribal people. The huts are usually constructed using forest materials such as bamboo, palm leaves and leaves from the banana plant, trees and clay. They're also built on stilts. Some are even built in the treetops to escape from flooding, mud or animals.
My friend, the green-winged macaque.
In conclusion, out-of-classroom learning environments can be exceptional in developing a child's scientific and innovative skills. Being outside enables you to use all of your senses, engage with the environment, connect with nature, and become inspired and a keen investigator. Scientific skills are amplified through analysis, evaluation, and conclusion. Out-of-classroom learning environments may benefit children who prefer to learn kinesthetically and visually. Finally, Ralph Waldo Emerson believed that learning through secondary classroom experiences can imprison us. However, learning through scientific inquiry and primary resources, such as those shown in this podcast, set us free.
Steph, can you please explain this area?
It's just a room full of plants.